Are you ready for some wild? And are you ready for some crazy? Well, it's right here at the DIY Arts channel. So make sure you click that subscribe, get the notifications, and share these videos with your friends. That way you guys can stay out of some trouble and learn from these people's mistakes. Wow, that car just blew through that red light, and I'm sure nobody wants to be on the receiving end of these crazy drivers. So wouldn't it be nice to have hundreds of videos at your fingertips to expand your driving awareness and safety? Then go ahead and subscribe to my channel and accelerate your driving skills. We'll see you guys. Be safe.